About the exhibition world, Cibus Tec is the Italian key appointment about food and beverage technologies. Among the usual sectors represented at the show, bakery is gaining increasing attention. Let's take a closer look at the new initiatives dedicated also to this sector with Fabio Bettio, director of Cibus Tec. Fabio, Cibus Tec is recognized as an international platform for food technologies. With the project Bakery Yes We Tech, what space do you want to create for industrial bakery technologies?
Sonia, Bakery Yes We Tech has been created in response to a very clear market need to build a strong visibility in Italy for the best industrial technologies for bakery within a truly international platform. Our goal was not to create a generic bakery focus, but build a project able to integrate baking production technologies with all the other solutions already present at Cibus Tec, such as packaging or automation, for example. And the results are evident in the exhibitors and brands that have already joined the project.
Well, why should companies in the bakery technology sector see Cibus Tec as a strategic event for international business?
Cibus Tec offers a combination that is very difficult to find elsewhere. On one side, there is an international food and beverage technology exhibition with a strong appeal. On the other side, there is a bakery project built on a clear industrial positioning. A key element is that Cibus Tec is part of the world's leading food trade fair system, with Anuga, Tuttofood and Cibus. This means, for us, knowing bakery food companies very well and having the opportunity to identify and bring to Parma, to Cibus Tec, professionals who are truly relevant for our companies producing technologies for bakery.
In the end, Fabio, Cibus Tec attracts qualified international buyers and decision makers. How does this translate into real value for bakery exhibitors?
Sonia, it's clear. Cibus Tec's Top Buyers program is one of the exhibition's main distinguishing features and is, in practical terms, the most important international hospitality program among food tech exhibitions, with more than 3,000 buyers attending. For 2026, an activity focused on the international bakery industry is already underway, with the goal of bringing to Parma a huge number of profiles that are truly relevant and interesting for our exhibitors. But the point is not just to have international visitors, but to have contents selected by role, geography, and industrial interest. And we are doing this in collaboration with our exhibitors, with Italian and international organizations.
So, thanks to Fabio Bettio for sharing these insights on the bakery sector and the upcoming edition of Cibus Tec. If you are interested in bakery technologies or industrial baking solutions, Cibus Tec is the right place to be. So the appointment is in Parma from October the 27th until the 30th. See you there.
Thanks, Sonia. And we await for you at Cibus Tec in October. Ciao.